Pork and vegetables, stir fry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Then add half a pound of sliced pork seasoned with black pepper and salt. Allow it to brown. Cover and let it cook for at least a minute. Introduce cloves of garlic. And onions. Sauté them. Incorporate a mix of stir-fry vegetables, carrots, snow peas, broccoli, chestnuts, and mushrooms. Include red bell pepper. And sliced scallions. Pour in 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. If desired, add extra mushrooms. Stir for 1 minute. Cover for a few minutes. Then your stir-fry is ready. Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.